Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. LENKOSI exits from UMKHOKHA. The case is Manzimande. So this is what to expect on UMKHOKHA. On Monday, Khulekani pushes for Manzimande's punishment, forcing SIPHAMANDLA to take drastic measures. The new faction causes Gabsile heartburn. An old couple breathed new life into their relationship. On Tuesday, Khulekani takes a decision that leaves them taboos appalled. Ndlovu is infuriated that his wives didn't go through with an unspeakable act. Kabisile ostracizes Zibahle out of the Young Visions group. On Wednesday, SIPHAMANDLA'S heart breaks when he fully grasps the depth of his rivalry with his brother. Ndlovu makes a big sacrifice for Khulekani, and Manzimande wants to square up with LENKOSI. On Thursday, SIPHAMANDLA refuses to carry a fake staff. Ndlovu impresses Khulekani with a genius new idea to differentiate themselves from the original Amajudia. Mamzobe tells Ngema to apologize to Difa. On Friday, chaos reigns supreme at the table as two heirs face off. Manzimande stares shame in the face. Mamzobe hasn't learned any lessons. Thank you for watching.